think many times, as tempting as it is to think that there are new trends, the fact is that healthcare remains too complex, too difficult. I think all of us have stories about how friends, loved ones, family members struggle with access to care, and the complexity is significant, the lack of predictability on the cost, the anxiety around quality, the anxiety about the implications to an individual, to their families, their ability to do their jobs is very destructive. And considering the post-pandemic situation, many of the issues we had pre-pandemic are just greater and exacerbated post-pandemic. So as we look at ourselves, whether it's a company like CitiusTech or Cambia, it really is our duty to double down and do everything we can to simplify it and make it easier for people to access the care they need. At Cambia, we deeply believe in serving the individual and serving the individual not just as a member of a health plan, not just as a patient who interacts with a hospital for an episode of care, not just as an employee who works for an employer for a certain period of time, but truly as an individual who has a family, who has people they love, they live in a community, and their identity transcends the way we usually codify them in healthcare. So Cambia is all about serving that individual. Cambia is all about understanding who that person is, understanding where they are, what they need, and how do we make it as easy as possible for them to get the care they need, when they need it, in the most convenient, easiest, and most cost-effective way. Over the last 7 years, CitiusTech has become one of two of our most important strategic partners. As we contemplate this transformation of the way we serve our members, particularly beyond the traditional role that a health plan plays at managing claims and paying claims, but really looking at how do we create innovative digital experiences, how do we create more personalized experiences, how do we help individuals access the care when they need it, how do we leverage data sciences, AI, data platforms, mobile platforms. CitiusTech has been involved in every single one of those programs for us, and it has been a game changer. I would recommend CitiusTech as first and foremost a company that shares our purpose in healthcare, a company that demonstrates that they share our values every day at every level of every employee, a company that believes in innovation, a company that believes in transformation, that has a level of quality of employees that is consistent and impressive and best in class, and a company that always does what they say and is in your corner and will back you up under all conditions. This is very rare. This is a company with whom your relationship on day one is not a transactional relationship, but is really a strategic partner of two companies that are committed to solving the same problems.